Climate change caused the pandemic. Exploiting nature for our human needs increases the risk of a pandemic. For example, when forest trees are cut, bats move closer to the trees near where we live, and their excretions can cause the spread of diseases. It is said that the main cause of new pandemic, such as bacterial pathogens and harmful avian influenza, are deforestation and crowded animal farms. Cattle ranching is one of the main reasons for deforestation. At the rate the world is consuming meat, 25% of the Amazon rainforest will lose trees by 2030, according to WWF. And by 2035, the forest will cease to absorb carbon dioxide emissions. With less trees, more wild animals coming to our backyard may increase the chance for a new pandemic. Climate change and degradation of nature decreases the capacity of Earth to sustain us. Nature keeps sending us messages: flood, forest fires, pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic gave us an opportunity to step back and assess how we have been living and how activities affected nature. We all experienced how we were forced to stay home in order to flatten the curve. For days, weeks and months, the streets became empty and most human activities grounded to a halt. Most global restrictions have lifted because of the implementation of mandatory safety protocols and COVID-19 vaccination. However, if we do not listen to the sign from nature, a new pandemic will break out again. The pandemic taught us how to deal with the threat. The threat of climate change remains, and before it worsens, we must take action now. We have the means to meet this challenge if we unify our efforts and collaborate globally to curb climate change.